Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards here first. We have Two of Cups in reverse, Eight of Swords, and Knight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, you are facing a lot of stress, guys, mental stress and worries today. Maybe something is not right in your situation, and maybe people are working against you, jealous, trying to grab your place, opportunities, and lot of struggles in your career situation also, guys. And you are working really hard. You are trying everything in your limit to move in a positive way, to proceed in a positive way, but you are facing lot of troubles, guys, and frustrations because nothing is happening up to your expectations. So it may be in your career, or it may be in this relationship. You have a lot of stressful things on your mind, lot of worries, and you have a lot of burdens. Maybe you feel restricted, stuck, unable to decide the right things for you all today, guys. And for some of you, there is some kind of a news reaching you. It may be some news regarding your work, or it may be a news regarding your relationship. So something making the situation even more worse, guys. And maybe for some of you, there is a chance for things to take a positive turn, guys. Maybe this person has changed their ways, or you have changed your ways. You want to reconcile or forgive this person, rectify the mistakes, and you want to move positively. Maybe for some of you, guys, I see that they are coming towards you, and they want to make effort to bring that understanding. So they are truly making that effort, guys. They want to change the way things are going in this connection, guys, and they are willing to change for this love. And maybe for some of you, they are truly sorry. They want to reconcile and come back in this relationship, Sagittarius. Maybe for some of you, things may go in a bad way, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Queen of Pentacles. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, this person you love, they are really caring, and they are nurturing. They take good care of you, and they feel really good with you when you are with them. And they are maybe they are giving you gifts, maybe, guys. And just like we said with the previous cards, we saw with the previous cards, they are trying to bring that balance in this connection, guys, trying to reconcile with you. So that is the energy here. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Nine of Cups. So with this card, I see that things are going in a very positive way in your career situation, guys. Sagittarius, you have that emotional satisfaction. Maybe all things you had hoped for is what you are getting today, guys. Sagittarius, so that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines, and maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected, and if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. And there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that. Maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this crystal and this card. It is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy, or suffering or depending on someone too much. Maybe that may be the reason. You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So, this is the time for that. This is the time, maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself, and time to give that other person freedom, and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone, or spend time with your friends, or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship, and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person, or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.